Dashboard. Go to My Deals. Click on the plus sign. Add the details for your job. Title, industry, a description, and date. Complete a task by yourself or add other members of your team. Location, collection, and delivery. Upload files you require, and click on Add to validate it. Open the job details again, and you can push it to the load board by changing the visibility from private to public. And now suppliers can bid. How to bid. Go to Tenders, open the job, send a bid directly, or open full details. And now the customer can see your bid and assign the assignment to you. In My Deals again, we can see the notification with your bid. Open it. And we are happy with the price, and then we can send the job over to the supplier. Finally, we can complete the job as a supplier. Add POD or other documents. And we can create an invoice. Add price. VAT rate. Or add other charges if required. Update, and now the invoice has been created. In Invoicing page, we can see all my invoices. And in the Procurement, the customer can find the supplier invoice and other documents from the supplier like the POD.